Hey guys, how many of you travel on a plane and you carry your equipment with you, your cameras, your video recorders, and now your drone stuff, and something like this Vanguard backpack you carry as a carry-on? That's what I've always done. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at a new hard case that I recently purchased for some upcoming trips I've got, where I can hopefully put all that expensive gear in there. It'll be protected and should get to the destination safe and sound. So let's take a look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Just D here with Just D Outdoors. Today I want to do a product review on the Nanuk 935. It's a new hard case I bought to carry my camera equipment when I travel. You know, for all this time I've been carrying everything as a carry-on in my backpack, so I'm terrified somebody's going to break into my luggage, my check baggage, and steal my stuff. But then I have to go through TSA and remove my cameras, and it's a hassle. People behind me get mad, I get frustrated, so I'm going to try to avoid that and try this case out and go as I'm going to use it for checked baggage. Even though it's considered a carry-on type bag, it's right at the maximum length though for most airlines at 22 inches. And I want to fly Qatar or Qatar again, and they like 20 inches. But it's a hard case similar to an SKB or Pelican, loaded with features and very comparable in price. I ordered it with the optional lid organizer and dividers there at 15.63 pounds. This is without the dividers in there at 13.25 pounds. So again, if you're going to do it as a check bag, or rather a carry-on, it's pretty close to max weight already. The liner comes in and out with the dividers real easy. Now you see the waterproof seal there around the lid. I'll talk about that here in a second. But those liners, if you want the extra space and don't need it, like I want to probably use it on a trip to Vegas coming up here soon just as a clothing bag carrier, I'll take that out and put my toiletries and stuff here in the lid organizer. But when I'm using it for camera equipment, then I put batteries, chargers, SD cards, and things like that in there. It's got the one that's the 9x8. It's got the two on the right side there that are 9x3. They're clear, tough plastic, so you can see what's in there. Easily to organize. And then behind it, you can undo that flap there. And they recommend, you know, you could put a laptop back there. I wouldn't recommend that, but you could put, like, I want to carry, you know, short extension cords and stuff like that back there to help keep me organized. It does come with a pressure release valve there, as it is waterproof and airtight and everything. You don't want that vacuum, so that allows you to open it up. The latches that come with it are very nice, very sturdy. I would prefer TSA latches, so I've ordered those. I will show you those towards the end of the video and put the links down below in the comments to show you how to order those. But they are nice and latchy there. I mean, they do catch. And you see the gap there, the blue arrow is. I did that so to show you how that O-ring is compressed to give you that airtight seal. You can put another lock on there. Since Amazon dropped the price of those locks, I went ahead and ordered me one for that. But that's the locks I had for my SKB bow case, and it won't fit. So that's the old TSA 007 locks, and those don't fit, so they do me no good on this case. This case does not have the 4 spinner wheels, which are common on carry-on bags nowadays, but it's got the 2 recessed, well-protected wheels that are made of a soft rubber, so they're not real noisy when you're dragging them across tile floors and stuff, concrete. They are well protected. Looks like they're going to take a beating on the conveyor belts and stuff. That's the hard plastic that protects the legs there of the slide-out arm. These handles snap into place, so they're not flopping around. Less likely to get caught on something as they're on the luggage carousel. You can hear it click into place. Very well constructed case. Especially when you compare it in price to, like I said, the Pelican and the SKB stuff and other brands. This is the handle when it's the vertical position. It snaps right into place. It's not going to be hanging or dangling, getting caught on something. Or at least the chances are reduced with that. Like I said, very, very well constructed. They had their thinking cap on when they built this thing. Again, you're not going to pull that out. Yeah, it's not going to come out until you push that silver button here on the right. And then the handle slides out. It feels very sturdy. I haven't tested it yet, but so far I'm liking the way that operates. When you stand it upright and fully extended, it's at 38 inches. And again, you got to push the button. It's very sturdy. Feels like it's not going to go back in. It's not real flimsy or anything. Push it in. It goes in one more notch there to 32 inches. Again, very, very well built. pushed all the way in the stowed position. It makes it 22 inches overall length, which is most airlines are 22 inches. And like I said, Qatar or Qatar is 20 inches. So I doubt I'd even be able to carry it onto the plane as a carry-on. But I intend on doing it check baggage because of the weight factor. That's straight from their website, 22 inches long, 9 inches tall, 14 inches. I wish it were about 5 or 6 inches longer, just for the extra space. I wouldn't want it any thicker or wider. That's the interior, so you can see the wheel well and stuff there, so you don't get a total full use of the floorboard on it. This is the upper end where the handle is and stuff. Wanted you to see that, so in case you needed all that extra space there, you could be limited. I went ahead and threw in a camera, my drone and stuff in there, and a couple of batteries, and I weighed it at 21 pounds. So I don't have it fully loaded yet, but I'm still 29 pounds for max. So it's going to serve my purposes real well as a checked bag and help me bypass TSA and all that mess and hopefully keep everything safe. This is a screenshot from Amazon. It's showing it here at $270. It was at $290, and then they dropped the price when I took this screenshot. I paid $200 because mine was the only one they had that had been renewed. It was a return, but you can get it in 6 different colors. You can order it with the dividers, without the dividers. That was mine when it came out of the box. It had that scuff mark on it, so I guess that's why it was returned, and I got it at such a discount. Here's the TSA locks they sell. They reduced the price on those, so I went ahead and ordered them. And me being the freak that I am about security, they dropped the price of these $8, or I probably would not have ordered one, but since they did, I went ahead and ordered one of those as well. Again, guys, this is a very well-built case. Comes with a lifetime warranty on their products. It's very sturdy, very rugged so far. I wish it were a little longer, just so I could get 1 or 2 more cameras in there, but it is what it is. Their neck sizes up are real thick, and I didn't want a real thick one. And but guys, hopefully this video is helping you out. Like I said, I try to find stuff that is affordable, durable, and productive for hunters, outdoorsmen, people that travel. And I'll hope to do a follow-up video after I get back. So y'all take care. Please like and subscribe, and catch the follow-up video.